Motive Power sends email and snail mail reminders and provides a connection to a third party if you prefer to have someone else send you reminders and other mailings. Basically, you have those three different ways to do things. My general recommendation is that you do the reminders yourself and then use the third party for mass emails and newsletters. I think that's the lowest cost, most effective solution. So you have your choices on email of not sending them, doing them yourself, or using the third party. Same thing on printed reminders. So let's look what happens here. So you have an average miles driven per year for car that you just got a starting figure. Once a customer's been in twice, they'll have their own figure that's been calculated, but this gives you a place to start. You have to set up for your email items. So once you've decided that a customer is getting an email reminder, you can set how many more days into the future you should check for what else that vehicle needs. You don't want to send somebody a reminder this week and send them another one next week right away. If you're going to the printed reminders, this is a postcard setup, and this is to configure your postcard. Now, these job service intervals were set on the jobs themselves as to when they became due, and so they'll automatically come up when they're due here. It's a very simple and straightforward system. It just takes one click to print the postcards and one click to send the email reminders. If we want to go and say that we're going to use a third party for some of these things, it'll remind us that we need to configure that page first, and then we can go and see. And you'd put your account information. You have files. You can send them initial things. If you have a problem where they didn't get a file, you can retransmit a file to them. So all pretty nice, very easy to use. For more information on how to handle the increased business from these regular reminders, go to motivepower.com.